Hey guys, it's Morgan Yates, and this is my attempt at a 24-hour room makeover. I was recently back at home in North Carolina where my bedroom isn't the cutest thing to happen to the world. During college, my sister, who was still living at home, switched rooms with me, and my new room has never really felt like home since I never lived there full time or put any effort into decorating it. I mean, look at it. My bed used to be in the middle of that wall below the art, and I later moved my bed, but I never moved the art, and that was years ago.
It's just not exciting. I don't get excited to be here. I don't feel homey in here. It's not fun to look at. It's not creatively inspiring.
Needless to say, this room is overdue for a little facelift, and while this video is called a 24-hour room makeover, I actually didn't start this process until the evening before I was flying back to LA at 8 a.m. the next day. Probably wouldn't have even done this, but my sister came in my room and told me that she didn't think I could, so therefore I had to try.
We've got a doubter. What'd you say to me?
She just asked me to go to Target. It's 3:30.
You think I can't redo my room within the span of a couple hours?
No. Your room is gonna take a couple hours just to clean.
It's not.
I mean, we haven't even gone to Target yet.
Madison, these are small hurdles. I'm gonna go now. You wanna come, please? It'd be so fun. You can like realize that you were wrong and everything. Come with me. Okay, I'll see you downstairs in the car.
Here is our starting point.
First of all, I mean the art. The art. They're also glittery. It's like textured glitter. I figure we might as well just show it messy, and that can be part of the transformation. Although all of this goes in these two suitcases. One's there and one's here. So I'm just gonna put that up really quick and then we'll begin the process. I am gonna keep the same bedding. It's like a nice little gray print from Urban Outfitters. I had this in college and nothing's wrong with it, so I'm not gonna get new bedding. My decorative pillow game is lacking. I don't really know what kind of color scheme we're gonna go for in here. It just needs to match the comforter. I love these pillows. Got them discounted at Pier 1 a couple years ago. But, like, they don't match. There's no other navy in the room. Actually, there's no color scheme at all in the room. These curtains are gray, boring-ish, but like I don't really want to spend money on new curtains. We have this Morgan thing up here. I'll give you a close-up later. Glittery again. I do love some Hannah Montana, but I don't know if that's gonna stay there. There's no real like decor going on in this region. This is a cute little decor thing. This came from Wink. If you guys want a free trial of Wink, or I think you get like 2 free wine bottles or something, link below. They're all cute. They taste good. I am just gonna leave the bathroom alone for this, as much as I'm not the world's biggest fan of this little girl on the beach photo. Pretty sure it was like expensive or something. We've had it a long time. I don't know, it's my parents. I think they'd be mad if I removed this. We're gonna focus really just over here.
So my top priorities for this makeover are number 1, artwork. Number 2 is just overall cuter decor. The yearbooks on the shelves, weird light accents, and just general clutter that was thrown on a shelf when I was moved into this room all need to go.
These Christmas lights need to come down. They are green strand Christmas lights. I have this random like moon strand of lights. I have an old laptop that hasn't worked. There's nothing that makes any sense. Let it be known I also have a DVD player for unknown reasons.
I'm hoping to develop somewhat of a color scheme as well as get things looking more grown up and polished, and those are really the only things I need to make happen, but I'd also be thrilled to find a new lampshade, as random as that is.
Probably my favorite thing in this room is this picture of me in Greece. I don't know the best place for that. I've considered moving my bed back to the middle, but again, it's just like, it sticks out so much further than hers did, and it's a little bit wider. I don't really want to take up just like the whole room with the bed, so I'm probably gonna leave it over here.
Now it's shopping time.
Hello, sister. You're out of frame.
Just how I like
brought
it
my
to be.
doubting Thomas with me. What budget do you think we'd like to stick to today?
Seeing as you spend about 3 weeks out of the year in this home, if that.
Guys, could you sit up? Your posture is really bad.
I can't tell you how deep in the ground this is.
You gotta lean.
Tell me what you need done.
I mean, artwork, essential. I don't know.
Like little
I'm just gonna
trinkets?
see what speaks to me. Gotta get rid of the HPCA yearbooks and some other, probably my Beta Club scholarship plaque can come down as well.
Humble brag.
Maybe I'll hang my diploma, my real credential. I would love to keep this under $250.
I was gonna say under 2.
That's how much you think I'll spend? Now
I don't think
now you believe in me?
Spend more than 2. The artwork is probably what's gonna take the
That's what I was gonna say. I would love to keep this under like no money, but A, we're going to Target. We have a TJ Maxx if required. Like decorative pillows maybe, I don't know. I would love to just, like, it's worth it to me to spend a little more at Target and just get this thing done, especially because I fly out tomorrow.
And you told me we were only going to Target, so.
Here we are. Please, no one I know be here. Madison made me buy her Starbucks. Just kidding. I know, I offered as a joke. Haha, can we like make it a joke? All right, let's redo it. Just kidding. I didn't get Starbucks, not from lack of desire, but from lack of wanting to carry it because I knew I'd need a hand for the vlog camera. Wait, I found, whoa, do I need to cover up?
After getting distracted by the swimsuit section,
first up we're seeing if there's anything in the dollar section because we're bargain hunters here. Ooh, a tray. What could I use this for? I haven't thought of a color scheme. I haven't thought anything about anything. A basket? No, I don't need her, right? Do I need this for anything? Probably not.
there was no real luck there, so it was time for our Target's very limited home decor section.
It's grown. Oh my god. I think all these gold things are cool.
That plant's cute.
I think these bookends are really cute. Because it's like a little bicycle.
Count Olaf, I'm sure.
What does that even mean?
I just think like an old uncle. This is cute, right? Oh, a letterboard? What would I write? Welcome. Welcome to myself and welcome home.
I can write you messages when you're coming home.
Terrible. What color scheme? Everything's like gold and black. I found a candle as well for $3 from the dollar section. Oh, there's people coming. The bookend. Do we need that? Cute. How much is it? It feels like it's like $80.
21.
How do you feel about that? That would minimize the black accents. Which is also $11, so never mind.
Those up there are cute too.
They're also probably $11. Do I need a read? Probably not.
Why does that look like a large thimble?
This is
Anyone?
What? You're right. That made me so many references lately. Let's go. Hey, we need this. I have this in LA. A plant spritzer.
I just water them though.
Do I need a little clock?
I don't know what color scheme you're going with here. Well, so far you have all of those colors.
I have gray bedding. That's the problem. I'm bringing all gold into a gray room. Fun fact, did you know that clocks hands when in ads look like a smile so that it subconsciously makes you feel happy?
What do you mean?
Every watch or clock ad, the hands are at 10 and 2 so that it looks like a smile.
Literally all of these.
Except for not that one, so it's not gonna get sold.
Wow.
I have a lot of blankets. This is cute.
You don't have a lot of floor space though.
I have to the right of that nightstand like a lot of floor space.
Oh yeah, that'd be cute.
Question.
Oh, you're,
What is this?
That's about to fall off.
Do I need this? Where's it gonna go? See, I'm going into this with no vision. My only concept is how much this is gonna add up to be. I can get all of them. You know? Also, Target only has like one option of how you can decorate your room. And it's this. This is the most important part of this entire video. And I'm not hopeful. Okay.
No, but look, like that is cute. You just don't need gray, you know?
The thing is that I have gray bedding. That's the problem.
But like that you could put with.
I've always since college wanted this to exist in my possession, but I don't think that's gonna match. Stop.
Oh no.
Ignoring the avalanche to my right. I think this would look kind of weird, probably.
Yeah.
Although it tie in gold, and I do have a lot of gold. Actually, I don't think this is the cutest option necessarily, but this would tie in gray and gold
Yeah, that's true.
all together.
So we'll stick it in the cart for now.
How much is it?
I'm gonna guess 60.
Maybe 65. I remember in college I think it was 65. What do you think? What if this looks stupid? It's just gonna be like one big piece above. But I do need some other prints for elsewhere in the room. But like again, what do you tie in with any of this? I feel my cart approaching the 250 mark very quickly. I don't know if I'm gonna get other art. That's very unfortunate. I contemplated lampshade, but just feeling how much this costs, I think I might just forget about it. I just need like some kind of more fun pillows because that really velvet picture frame's interesting. But, oh, hello. He wants us to buy him, but, whoops. Okay, that's probably how these got stained. Yeah, that's not terrible. Would I get two?
I would only get one.
But then I only have one decorative pillow.
No, you need two, but I wouldn't get the same one.
I would love to get a cute little throw blanket.
I have a better one.
A better blanket? Elsewhere in the store? Oh, alright, well I guess we're gonna trust her. Also, we've decided on 3 white pillows. I'm worried because one of them's big and 2 of them are small. So if 2 of them are big and 1 of them are small, then I would know how we would arrange these. But seeing as it is the other way around, I am unsure.
I ended up cashing out at $268.44, so slightly more than I wanted to spend. But last week I was looking at new wall art online and racked up a cart worth more than that for only 3 big prints in their frames. So all in all, at Target I got art and a lot more, so I'm fine with it. Back at home, the first order of business was removing those green Christmas lights, my name above the window,
You can tell these were like glittery.
and the moonlights on my bed. I swapped out my bed pillows and struggled a bit to figure out how to arrange one large pillow with 2 smaller ones, and even my mom doubted my ability to complete this task today. Listen to this.
What? I'm doing it right now. Yeah. I'm telling the truth.
Did you get your hair cut?
I did that too. woman. I hadn't done it yet. I just started.
What picture are you using?
The one that's over there. That doesn't look terrible. One of them just huge. Oh yeah, my art.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't give you permission to see the preview, but now that you saw, you have to help me hang it. Also, we have some like promising cute pieces, like this little light bulb Caroline gave me this years ago. I guess that's it, actually.
Next, I went through and started removing decor that needed to go, and then I set out the new gold wire basket that I purchased to store blankets in, but really it's just meant to be cute beside the nightstand.
So this has turned out to be a little smaller than I thought, but I mean, we did have this like awkward space over here, and there's not gonna be any art in this region. So I guess it's good to have something that is a little more dynamic over here, but it really only holds one little blanket. I think this color scheme is gonna end up like looking all right. Even though that one's big, you never look at the bed straight on, you look at it from over here. So like perception wise, it makes these look bigger, and then it's obviously still like an asymmetric look. I don't think it's terrible. All right, so this is actually everything else we bought today, which doesn't look like much. Comment below cute things that you think I should make this say, this little letterboard. I bought this basket with no vision of what's gonna go in it.
Then I took everything off the shelves, and with a blank slate, I started arranging new items throughout the room.
This little piece of art, I don't really have a place to put it, so I actually might like leave it where it is, since I don't really ever have a laptop there, and I don't want this to just be blank because this is kind of like a workstation. So for now, that might just stay there to be determined. I also just remember that I have my diploma. All right, so things are slowly progressing. My family's now leaving to go get dinner, so unfortunately for this video, when we get back, the lighting's gonna be even worse, but we are going to carry out this task tonight, so be back. I have a pupper. I don't know what shelf. Our dog is so weird. Our dog refuses to sit anywhere where she's not surrounded by things. Yeah. Are you safe now? Madison's gonna put some letters on there. What should go on it? Welcome home, Morgan. I think that's kind of funny. Like, I mean, what? I come here, I want to be welcomed by my room. All right, I just got out these little pineapples. Why waste time? Pop those on there. Should I do like half of them there with one and then half on another shelf with like another, or should I like put it in the middle? I was gonna put it on the bottom over there since there's so much height. Yeah. Look, I have a degree. Now we'll hang my Grease photo. Madison tells me I need to get rid of the wine bottle, but it's so cute. All right, decor update. I need to figure out something for this basket. I also don't know where to put it. I still don't love any of this decor. I could definitely use more. Yeah.
Oh, it looks clean.
I don't know like what to do with this. I need something here, but I don't have anything. I'm like out of options. Like things still look very blank, but we're going with the whole minimalism is in reasoning. All right, next up is this bad boy.
And lastly, we hung the new wall art. I'm still not madly in love with this piece, but you know, it is good enough because we all saw the starting point, and at least this picture ties in the gray and gold color schemes, which I was worried about not being able to do.
This is it. What? Is it bad?
I can't tell. I'm not
Why are
good.
you laughing? Why am I my helper if you're not good?
I think it's a little crooked. But I think if you just shift it a little bit, I think it'd be fine.
You told me that this was straight.
I mean, the more I look at it, the more straight it looks.
It's not. It doesn't look straight at all.
You don't get it now.
No one who told me that it looks straight. Turn off the light. The shadows are skewing this. It's straight.
Really?
Yeah, the shadows make it look more straight. See, folks, pay attention to shadows.
You hated me for nothing.
Well, your perception was wrong after the fact. All right, so updates. In the future, I would like to get white curtains because that will brighten this up a lot. Also, I'm having my sister send me some photos, maybe some iPhone video clips too. That'd be great tomorrow in the daylight because I'm leaving. My flight is before it's gonna be bright. But here's what we got going on. So I feel good about this art. It really ties in the gray and the gold. Light pillows brighten everything up as well. A little minimalist nightstand. I wanted to get things that were different heights, so I thought the bigger plant would be good here with a small candle just to spice this up with as few items as possible. I love this little letterboard. I would like for more to be going on just in general over here, as well as over here. I still don't have anything for in between here. I'm having mixed feelings about this basket because I don't know what to put in it. Diploma, just a couple little decor things over there, and that's pretty much that. Thanks, Maddie, for helping me, and with some different curtains. Obviously, this is still like super simple, but I don't want to spend a ton of money on fixing this up when I'm only here a few times a year. I just wanted it to actually like look like things that do go together. And I did put up those like colorful hats as well, so we just have some neutrals. I kept the succulent photos since we do have some plants. That is pretty much it for this video. I know this wasn't like a crazy like 24-hour room transformation videos like some other ones on YouTube. I didn't like DIY a brick wall or anything in here, but I think this is like a realistic 24-hour room or makeover video. There's still more I want to do, but you can only accomplish so much in 24 hours. Also comment below things that you guys would change, or if you guys have any other decor ideas. I feel good about what we've done here today.
So now for some final before and after shots. Here's what we started with. And here's what we got now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay. 'Cause I got